Everybody, we're here for the Maiden, and I mean, I'm like, well, heart rate's at 98, but I am so nervous. I figure I'm gonna take the apprentice up first, calm down my nerves, and then I'm gonna take that beauty out. Man, the wind just changed, huh? I feel like the wind was coming this way. Whew. So I'm kind of hoping to take this up for a minute, do some laps, fly it around. It'll calm me down, get my hands used to the sticks and that, and all right, so golly, I can't even think. So that's gonna make it go to the right. Yeah, up this way. All right. Man. You know, I would like to ask Jeff to maiden that for me, but you know, I know that doing maidens are like nerve-wracking as it is. I didn't realize, like, oh shit, even for him, like how nerve-wracking it could be. So I do have this thing is safe, right? Yeah. What was that? So I don't think it'd be fair to keep asking him to do these things, you know, especially if something bad happens. Imagine he'll probably feel bad. So, oh, that's why now we got the crosswind here. Look, the windsock's blowing at me. All right, guys. I know you came here to see the Maiden of the big plane, so I'm gonna fly this for a bit and calm my nerves, and we're gonna Maiden it. You know, I understand they got a job to do and all that stuff, but this is a AMA airport, man. They should know that this is where, and I just had the apprentice up, so I mean, he knows I'm here. I don't know what the deal is with that. I'm already freaking nervous as it is. I feel like I'm just gonna puke. Oh my god. Could just watch 300 bucks go up into a bunch of, golly. Alright, this is off. Throttle cuts on. Look, oh my god, my heart rate's at 123. Oh, well, check it out. I did my good deed for today. I'm not sure if you can see, but this little bird right here made a nest. They nest right here. Hopefully you can see it. I think it's called a deer bird or something. So I put this chair here so that way if anybody pulls in, they know. And I'll put a note on the group's Facebook page to avoid our little feathered friend there. So hopefully, well, this comes back in one piece and I get some good karma. Oh my god. Oh boy. Times like this, it makes me wonder why do I do this? Alrighty. Alright, so that is going to turn left. That's gonna make that wing go down. That's gonna make that, yeah, left, right. Rudder, elevator, down is up. That's a lot of elevator, huh? All right, let's throttle it up. that's safe. You know what's weird is that I follow Ryan Phillips' video on the program this thing exactly the way he did. Now granted, he's got a different radio, so they had more channels, but everything, he used the same exact receiver. And I did exactly like he did, and I have, like, you probably can't see it on the screen, but it says mode 2. And no matter what switch I switch, it's like mode 1, mode 2, nothing changes. Oh no, it does actually say now mode 1, mode 2. I don't know what the difference is. All I know is, like, I guess mode 2 right now has apparently has safe. It looks like both of them do. Actually, that looks like just AS3X because it's going. If it was safe, it should stay banked, right? Are you kidding me? I wasn't recording my takeoff. I thought I was recording. Oh man. Well guys, I think I got it figured out. For some reason I have a flight mode 3 now that when I pulled it up, safe mode was inhibited. I activated it, and tell me this, is that why it's so wobbly? Is the sensitivity? I think this knob adjusts the sensitivity. Yeah, look at it. So let's. Yeah, I think. I'm not sure, man. I really need to get Jeff to look at this thing because I've never set up like a receiver before. Man, I don't even know where I left off at. I went through the settings and I found I went into gyro and it said flight mode 3, which is not on my remote. When I look, the switch activates flight mode 1 and 2, so I don't get what's going on. I really don't. So maybe I just have to meet up with Jeff and he can help me figure out this remote and the programming for this plane. I don't know. Figure out why it's wobbling like this. But I mean, as far as flying, I mean, it feels like it's going good. I'm not really having to. I don't feel like, you know, like it's way out of trim or anything like that. But it sure is wobbly. Let's drop the flaps to see if I come in here for a nice low. Flaps up. I think my heart's starting to calm down now. Like, I can't believe I missed the takeoff. Oh man, I thought I was recording. I forgot I stopped because I was trying to figure out the safe mode. But there's definitely something, I don't know, A3X or the gyro, something's like just too sensitive because it shouldn't be. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, I don't even have the timer set on this thing, so I don't even know where I'm at. I guess maybe I should bring it in for a landing. Oh, I'm having fun now. Now I kind of calmed down. Look how fast this thing is. Woo! Alright, I really don't know how long this thing lasts on a battery, and I don't want to risk. So let's land it. We'll test the battery. If it's got some more, we'll go for that. But man, so far I'm good with the with how it's flying and that. Whew, first landing. Oh man, that was oh, I only came in on takeoff flaps. I mean, it's weird. I plugged in the battery and it did the two shakes telling me, you know, like safe, but that doesn't mean safe was actually like turned on. Oh, I can't read this thing. Oh man, I think we still got half a battery. Oh, we still have 55%. Heck yeah. Let's do another. It's down to 10. Flaps up. Oh, the wind's pushing it that way. That's why it's so wide. But so I'm at 14. Yeah, 14 minutes on here, so 15. We'll just say like at 17, man. I'm gonna have to land. Permission to buzz the tower approved. Oh man, I'm so glad it's flying. I'm so glad. Whew. Wonder if you can see the lights on it. A little bit, yeah, a little bit. It's probably not gonna pick up in the camera. Hey, I hope this this video looks better. I got a not really like an ND filter, but a neutralizer filter for the GoPro. So that way it should help kind of calm down some of the haze from the clouds and all that, and maybe make the white of the airplane pop a little bit more. Wow, that's a lot of rudder. Whew. Whoa. I do not like those trees. See, I don't know why it's so wild. I'm not sure if it's just the wind affecting this thing or if it's the gyro's just too sensitive. Yeah, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I really would have liked to have Jeff Maiden it, but then when I was watching one video where, you know, he was really nervous doing a Maiden on his own plane, and I was like, man, that's probably just not fair to keep asking him to take every plane up. Yeah, see, that thing's, I think the gyro is way too sensitive. It reminds me of like the RC cars. If you turn the gyro up too much, they start doing that. I want to see something here. Like, what's the... Oh wow, the big plane can kind of turn around. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with this thing. But yeah, maybe I feel like all the trims are pretty good. Maybe it's just nosing down a little bit because I let go, it kind of noses down. But I was kind of curious, like, if I get close to these trees like that, I can really slam this thing. It's going to lose airspeed like that, but... Alright, I think I'm going to land it now. Whew, man. Alright, landing flaps are down. I probably don't need it, but... Look at this guy, man. Damn, man. I mean, what if I was over there? Jeez. Well, everyone, man. Yes. She survived. It is beautiful, man. I love this plane. I love it. Oh, it is beautiful. I am. Alright guys, as soon as the plane got up, the GoPro overheated and shut off, so I'm gonna have to make this quick because I had this windsock on here, and I also think this ND filter feels really hot, so I'm just gonna wrap it up there. Successful flight, beautiful plane. I'm happy to have it. Watch out for more of this. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support. Hope to see you on the next one.